Good morning, students. Today we will talk about the. Yesterday we had completed the last chapter, that is strategies for enhancement in food production. Okay, that chapter we had completed yesterday. We had talked about the tissue culture and all. But all over, we have to discuss some of the important questions for the theory. And what are that questions, sir? The questions will be asked for 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark and 5 mark. Okay. So let's see what are that important questions. I will write on the board. Please, if possible, note it down that questions. Okay. So in this, some of the 1 mark questions. Note it down. Okay. Define inbreeding, outbreeding, then outcrossing. These are some of the 1 mark questions. Except these, some other questions are: what is explant? What is explant? So this is second, third, and this one is fourth. Okay. Define inbreeding, outbreeding, outcrossing. Except that one, what is explant? Then what is meant by soma clone. The next, what is meant by or what is micropropagation? Then what is meant by somatic hybrid? Okay, these are some questions which will be asked for 1 marks. Then, except this one, what are the other questions for 1 marks means that it is name 2 lysine-rich varieties of maize. Name 2 lysine-rich varieties of maize. This is one question. Okay, then except these, for 2 marks, if you see, what are the questions for 2 marks means what is apiculture? Sorry, what is dairy management? Or explain the process of dairy farm management. Then, what is apiculture? And what are the important steps for successful apiculture? What are the important steps for successful apiculture? This is one question. Except these, some other questions for 2 marks, that is differentiate between inbreeding and outbreeding. This is one question. And accept this. Explain what is meant by biofortification. Okay, what is meant by biofortification? Then accept this. Name any 5 hybrid varieties of cropland which have been developed in India. Name 5 hybrid varieties of. I think you had noted down these questions. I want to write some other questions over here. 13th question. Name any 5. 13th one. Name any 5 hybrid varieties of croplands which has developed in India. Okay, then accept this one. What is the major advantage of producing plants by micropropagation? Or advantages of producing plants by micropropagation. This is one question for 2 marks. Accept this. What is meant by the term breed? What is meant by the term breed? Question mark. Then, what are the objectives of animal breeding? What are the objectives of animal breeding? So, this question is for 2 marks. Next, we will see about the 3-mark questions. Okay. See here. Please note it down. These questions are important questions. You see, for 3 marks, I will write here. Next one, for 3 marks, that is 16th one. Explain briefly about SCP, that is single cell protein. Then for 5 marks, 17th question, that it is explain motion. Explain briefly White. Then here, except that one, explain briefly plant tissue culture. Okay, so this is about what? This is about the certain questions from the chapter, that is strategies for enhancement in the food production. Okay, so whatever the questions I had given over here, please make an assignment for it and upload or just send it to the WhatsApp group. Okay, all the students of A1 and A2 should submit their assignment by clicking the photos, by writing the correct question number and the answer, and clicking the photos, they can send it to the WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you. Next, we will go for a new chapter, that is microbes in human welfare. Very interesting chapter. Listen here. Next, that is microbes in human welfare. Okay, so what are the topics it should be covered in this chapter means, that is, I will write here, microbes in household products, microbes in household products. Accept this. The next topic, microbes in industrial products. Industrial products. The next, third one, microbes in sewage treatment. Then microbes in production of biogas. Microbes in production of biogas. Next, this microbes in microbe as a biocontrol agents. Biocontrol agents. Then microbes as biofertilizer. Microbes as biofertilizer. So these are the topics which has to be covered or which is present in this chapter. So first, that is microbes in household product, microbes in industrial product, microbes in sewage treatment, microbes in production of biogas, microbes as biocontrol agent, and microbes as biofertilizer. So first we will go for the some introduction part of the microbes in human or microbes in human welfare. First of all, I want to tell you, see, in first PUC class, you had studied about the microorganisms. Okay, what are the microorganisms means? That will comes the microorganisms means. See here, microorganisms. This means what? The name itself they had given as the microorganisms, which is also called as the microbes. What they are also known as? They are also known as the microbes. So what are that microorganism or microbes you had studied in last classes means that will include the bacteria, cyanobacteria, some of the algae, fungi, protozoa. Okay, and some minute or microplants will be there, which comes under the microorganisms. So, or the organism which cannot see with our naked eyes, to them we can call it as the microorganism, which is not visible with our naked eyes, but how we can see them means that is through an instrument that is known as the microscope. How you can see to the such type of microorganism, that is through the microscope. So how much will be the size, so that we cannot see with our naked eye means the size of them will be 0.1 millimeter or less than this, or less than this 0.1 millimeter. It may go up to nanometer also. Okay, so this is the size due to which we cannot. So see, 0.1 millimeter or less than 0.1 millimeter means it will be so smaller that we cannot see with our naked eyes. Okay, that's why we are using the microscope. So what are that microorganisms in this world or on this universe? First of all, that is the bacteria, cyanobacteria, that is blue green algae, fungi, some algae, and viruses also comes under this. Viruses, viroids, prions, then viruses, viroids, prions, cyanobacteria, this all protozoa, protozoans, okay. Then some of the microscopic plants also will come under this. Some of the microscopic plants will come under the microorganisms. See here, what are that particular microorganisms in this on this earth means that we cannot see with our naked eyes. Okay, that whose size is 0.1 millimeter or less than that. Okay, to them we are including, or whatever the organism which we cannot see with our naked eye, to them we are including it as the what? Microorganism. So here what are that? Bacteria, cyanobacteria, fungi, some algae, viruses, viroids, prions, protozoans, and microscopic plants. So these all are the organisms whose size is in a micro size. So that's why we are calling it as the microorganism or microbes. See, most of the microbes can be grown artificially on a nutrient media. See, microorganisms are where they will found. This is one question. Where do you found the microorganism? Okay, microorganisms are everywhere. Everywhere, or else you can also say they are omnipresent. What they are? They are omnipresent. So everywhere you will find the microorganisms. So see, where do you find the in the environment? Anywhere you will find the microorganism. For example, they will found in the soil, mud, water, on the surface of the body of human being. Not only the human being or animals, it will also found in the body of what? Plants. Okay, except that the microorganism will found on the food. Okay, so So this in environment, on the table, on the book, on the pen, on the computer, everywhere you will found about, that is on the clothes, shoes, everywhere you will found the microorganism. But the thing is that here they also found in an extreme habitat. Okay, first of all they found in air. See here. They found in air, water, soil, mud, then land, on rocks, okay, and even the non-living things such as book, paper, door, on the food, okay, and accept this. So everywhere, etc., everywhere you will find what? That is a microorganism. So accept this microorganism will survive where no other organism can survive. That means they can survive, they can live in an, some of the microorganisms live in a or in an extreme habitat. Where do you found? That is in the extreme habitat. Okay, what is this extreme habitat? Means they will live in a thermal beds. Thermal beds, or else we can also say it as the geysers. Okay, where the temperature will be above 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, above 100 degree. Whether a human being or a plant, any other organism can live in so much of higher temperature? No. Okay, no other organism can survive at that particular temperature, but the microorganism will survive at that particular temperature. Only some specific organism we will survive in that particular temperature. Okay, and as well as they also found in a snow. They also found in a snow, or a highly saline condition will be there. Okay, so there also you will found that is highly saline area or highly saline region. Saline means where the salt content will be more. That is in the deep sea. Under the deep sea also you will found the what? That is the microorganism. As well as they also found in the certain acidic environment also. Okay, that is in the acidic condition also you will found what? That is the microorganism. So this is about the surviving of some of the microorganisms in an extreme habitats. Okay, so where no other organisms can found. Except this one, the microorganisms are also found. I will rub this one. See, some of the microorganisms are found, okay, in animal, plants, or human, or any other organisms. Okay, they can also survive, they can also found inside the body or on the surface of the body, that will be outside the body. Okay, they are found on the body of animals, plants, humans. Okay, they are present. For example, this is the human being. So they are found. The microorganisms are found outside the body also, and some of the microorganisms are present inside the body also. Not only in the human beings or animals, the microorganism can survive in some other organisms' body also. Okay, that is animals as well as the plants also they can survive. They are found. Okay, so if such microorganisms are present on the surface of the body or inside the body, some of the microorganisms are beneficial. What they are? They are beneficial. Means they are useful to the human body. Not we are taking an example of a man. So some of the microorganisms which are present outside or inside them. So to them we can call it as the parasitic microorganisms. What we can call? We can call it as the parasitic microorganism. And the thing is that some of the microorganisms are beneficial and some of the microorganisms are harmful. Harmful in the sense they are going to cause the diseases in the human body. Harmful means they will cause the diseases. Okay, if such microorganisms which are causing the diseases for the human body, not only for the human body, for plants, for any other organism, means they are known as the pathogens. What they are known as? They are known as the disease causing organisms or disease causing microorganisms are known as the pathogens. Okay, and here I told you whatever the microorganisms which are surviving on the surface of the body, that is outside the body, means they are known as the ectoparasitic microorganism or ectoparasite. And if they are present inside the body, they are known as the endoparasite. Okay, ectoparasite and endoparasite. So here one thing I want to tell you, microorganisms are found everywhere. Everywhere means that is in the soil, water, air, everywhere you will find. Okay, book, pen, pencil, table, chair, everywhere, on the food, on the whatever the things. Okay, they will survive. They will found. Except that one, they are also present inside the body of other organisms. To them, we are calling it as the parasite. Okay, some of them will survive on the surface of the body, and some of them will survive inside the body. Okay, not only in the animals or human beings, it also going to survive in the plants also. Okay, except these, they are also found in some of the microorganisms, especially for the plants and animals. Okay, and human beings. Okay, so in them, some of the microorganisms are responsible for causing the diseases, and such microorganisms which are present outside or inside the body and causing the diseases, they are known as the pathogens. What they are known as? They are known as the pathogens. Okay, the next here, microbes are infectious agent. We had learned till now what we are listening means whenever the microbes or germs or whatever the bacteria, if we listen, the viruses, if we hear the words means in our mind it will come that they are causing the infections or diseases. Okay, so they are responsible not only for causing the diseases, they are also responsible for contaminating the food, that is spoilage of food. If some of the some of the microorganisms which are present in the dirty area, sewage drainage and all, if such type of microorganisms are present in the food, okay, that food, they are responsible for what? Spoiling the food or contaminating. If they are present in the water, they are responsible for contaminating the water also. Like that, they are causing, if that food is going to be consumed by the human beings, then human beings will survive with the diseases or infections. So here they are also involved. See, till now we had studied about the disadvantages or harmful organism, microorganism. But the microorganism, how much they are harmful to the human beings, they are also beneficial or they are causing benefits for the human being. So that is the lesson of the chapter, that is microbes in human welfare. How they are useful, how they are benefits, how they are causing benefit to human beings, means they are used in the production of many household products such as curd, cheese, then yogurt, whatever the dairy products are there, idli, dosa, whatever the fermented foods will be there, in them you will find the microbes. Okay, except that they are also used in the production of, see here, see here, some of the microbes which is used in the production of household products, dairy product, household products means that comes, see here, microbes in household products. The first topic in the chapter, okay, that is microbes in household products. Here, that how the microbes are helpful in, because some of the microorganisms are causing the benefit for the human beings. So that only we are studying in this chapter. So here, how the microbes are used or helpful or benefit for the household products means in the production of the first thing, that is the curd. Okay, they are undergoing the process that is known as the fermentation. In the later classes, I will explain about the fermentation. So see here, they are used in the production of curd. Not only the curd, whatever the dairy products such as yogurt, cheese. Okay, so these all are what? These all are the dairy products. Except these, whatever the other household products means, it is used in the production of bread, whatever the bakery items will be there. Bakery items such as the bread, then cake, etc. Then other things which comes under the household products means that comes the fermented food such as the idli, dosa, etc. etc. Okay, except this also used in the production of one drink that is the toddy. The name of that drink is the toddy. So in this way, it is used in the production of many household products. So except this, whatever the preparation of curd is there, and one more very important thing, that is the cheese. We are also in the production of cheese also they are using what? They are using the microbes. So we will see which are that particular microorganism, how they are going to prepare, what is the procedure for the preparation of these household products. So first we will see about the curd, then yogurt, then cheese, then bread, cake, everything. Okay. So here first we will go for the dairy product. Here in the dairy products, it includes the curd, yogurt, buttermilk, then cheese. These are all are what? Dairy products. What are that? Curd, cheese, yogurt, buttermilk, etc. So whatever these all are what? Dairy products. So whatever the dairy products, majority of dairy products are produced by one specific microbe, and the name of that particular microbe is that it is the LAC, LAB. Okay, what is the full form of LAB? Means that it is lactic acid bacteria. What it is? Lactic acid bacteria. Here, some of the bacteria are there. To them, we can also call it as their genera is lactobacillus. What it is? That is the lactobacillus. They are rod-shaped bacteria. Here, the lactic, they are going to produce an acid. See, what is the meaning of fermentation? Means the conversion of sugar into the either the acid or the gas. Okay, so what is that? That is these bacteria, that is the lactobacillus, they are going to produce the lactic acid. Okay, that lactic acid is responsible for conversion of what? Milk into the curd, as well as in the preparation of yogurt, in the preparation of buttermilk, as well as in some of the other microbes are there, such as Sharmani bacteria is there, which is used in the preparation of what? Cheese. So about these things we will see in detail in the next class. Okay. The next topic, that is microbes in household products, we will see in the next class. Okay, thank you.